Moving to East Africa, international observers to Kenya's presidential re-elections have called on those who have grievances following the declaration of the incumbent, President Uhuru Kenyatta, as the winner to seek legal redress. They spoke as opposition leader Raila Odinga announced that he would use peaceful protests, economic boycotts and convene a people's assembly to push for free and fair polls. Odinga, who boycotted the rerun, termed Kenyatta's 98% victory a sham. He did not, however, say if he will move to court to challenge those results. Kimani reports.
A day after Uhuru Kenyatta was declared winner of the presidential elections rerun, boycotted by a section of the country, international observers are giving their verdict. The European Union termed the current situation in the country as a dangerous political standoff. Both the African Union and the European Union called for any side that does not agree with the outcome to go to court.
We make a recommendation here that a request, an appeal, if anybody has any problems with regard to this fresh presidential election of 26th of October, please let's go back to the courts and raise whatever concerns. But otherwise, no other recommendations. The recommendations will appear in that final report.
While the National Super Alliance, the main opposition coalition, boycotted the polls on Tuesday, Odinga described the process as a sham.
If election is allowed to stand, the highest office in the land will be occupied by a person who has usurped power. We in NASA are resolute that this sham election cannot and will not be allowed to stand.
Odinga, who did not say if he would be going to court, called for dialogue through the convening of a people's assembly.
Before engaging in any dialogue, we must also be clear what differences we are sitting down to resolve. The political crisis we are in is about free and fair elections.
According to the law, anyone wishing to challenge the outcome of the polls has until Monday next week to file a petition at the Supreme Court. Kimani, SABC News, Kenya.